In today's tutorial, we are going to use this website called Global Geodetic Observing System in order to download terrestrial gravity data. So without further ado, you can go ahead and look for Global Geodetic Observing System in your search engine, or simply click on the link in the description below. You will be directly redirected to this website. So from here we are going to use this website in order to get this data. So here, go to products, you will get this page. So scroll down until you find gravity field and then click on terrestrial gravity data. Here you will get this window. Now scroll down again and click on land gravity measurements. And here you have the possibility to input coordinates of your area of interest, or you can also look for the data country. Click here and you can look for any country that you want. Let's go, for example, I'll look for France. I will click on it, and after that click on submit. Now you will get these buttons. You can get back and you can request the data. Here you should input all of your personal information, and you have also possibility to show the map by clicking on this button and then click on submit. And this is your map, and there is another option here. You can show the WGM map. Here you have to choose between free air, booger, isostatic gravity, disturbance, or topography data type. So I will let it to free air and I will click on submit. And this is the terrestrial gravity of France. You can download it as a grid. Here click on download grid, and here again click on download. Here, if you want a grid, you should input some simple information and you will get it, or you can simply click on this image and save it. Click on save image as, choose where you want to save it and then click on save. At the end you will get this gravity image of your country or your area of interest. So thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe if you want more tutorials.